In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hotmail, or as it's now known, Outlook on Microsoft 365 in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to email or just making the switch to this platform, these steps will guide you through the essential tasks you need to get started with Hotmail. First, let's go over how to access Outlook. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Microsoft Outlook login page. The link can typically be found by searching for Outlook login in your browser. Once there, you'll be greeted by the familiar Microsoft sign-in page. Here, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one by selecting Create One and following the on-screen instructions to set up your account credentials. Once you're logged into Outlook, you'll be taken to your home page, which is essentially your email dashboard. This is your main control center where you can access your emails and manage all your communications. From here, you'll be able to see any emails you've received, and you can also begin setting up your email preferences to better suit your needs. Now, let's learn how to send an email. On your Outlook homepage, look for the New Message button, which is usually located at the top of your screen. Click on this button to open a new email window. In this window, you'll see fields for the recipient's email address, the subject line, and the body text of your email. Enter the email address of the person you want to contact, type out a subject that briefly explains the contents of your message, and then write your email in the message body. When you're satisfied with your email, hit the Send button. Your email will be on its way to the recipient. Aside from sending emails, it's equally important to manage your incoming messages effectively. You can find all your received emails in the Inbox folder located on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on any of these emails will open them for you to read. Once opened, you'll have options to reply, forward, or delete these emails. To keep everything organized, consider using folders or categories to sort your emails. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to getting started with Hotmail on Outlook. With these steps, you'll be able to navigate your inbox, send and respond to emails, and keep everything organized. As you become more comfortable with the interface, you can explore additional features like calendar integration and contact management to enhance your productivity even further. Happy emailing!